I just had identical twin boys, and I will never forget the moment I first held them in my arms. I looked down at them and I thought, you are the most beautiful beings on earth. And then I thought, how can I monetize this? And that's why I came here to you.
It's great that you had twins. We love twins. Clients love twins.
So twins are, I mean, they're a miracle.
Yes.
They're also a moneymaker.
Absolutely, yes.
What do you look for when you accept baby models?
Number one, great parents. We want it to be a win-win situation. And then, of course, the baby. The baby has to be in size. So in other words, if a baby is 12 months of age, a baby can't be wearing size 2 or 3. Not gonna work. They should be able to sit up without being propped up.
They don't sit up on their own per se, but they do fart on their own. And they don't care who holds them. I mean, they hardly know who I am.
Aw, that's so cute.
So what is the hot look in baby right now?
Chubby cheeks, round eyes, cute little smile, you know, no hair.
No hair is advantageous?
A little bit of hair, not too much.
So I put together a little bit of a lookbook.
Okay.
This is just a classic headshot.
They're adorable. They look like they have a really good personality.
They do. They smile on command. Aww. So I could just snap my fingers and they would smile.
That is so cute.
Yeah. We're going through a little male pattern baldness. They look great in wigs, though. If
Oh my goodness.
This is more of a brooding.
Now I find in that picture, it's making them look a lot older. So that wouldn't be a picture I would choose.
Okay, well I don't want him to age out too
No.
quickly. This is more of a cool hipster.
Yeah. Now again, the picture's taken really close, so he looks a little older. So I would always recommend the ones a little further away.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do babies get makeup on a photo shoot?
No, natural. And babies have to have good skin.
Right.
Yeah.
I would put a mask on them the night before, whatever is required.
Egg white mask. Yeah, but we don't do mascara, blush, and foundation, no.
No, this is not a Jean-Benet Ramsey situation.
Right. Not when they're younger and babies, no.
How important is an Instagram following for a baby model?
Some clients like that because they know if that child does that ad, they're going to advertise it on their Instagram account. So it's kind of a win-win situation.
So I should get them on Instagram right now?
I think so.
I don't just want one Baby Gap ad. I want an Olsen twin empire.
Yeah.
How can we do that?
We always like parents not to have high expectations.
Right.
I mean, we always want our kids to do extremely well, and I'm not the one who picks the child for the job. It's the casting director or the client.
So,
yeah. I'd love to take them on.
Would you really?
Yeah!
Oh my gosh! It's that easy?
They're so cute!
Okay. How much money are we talking about?
It can range anywhere from, $75 an hour up to, $20,000, $30,000, depending on what it is. When your child gets paid, you don't get paid, it goes to the child. So you have to open up a bank account and deposit the money in there.
I didn't realize that the money had to go into the child's account.
Yes.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.